Mexico Infrastructure Partners was started about 15 years ago. Some partners got together, some worked together at Macquarie and other funds and came together to start a big infrastructure fund in Mexico. Now it's grown to about $13 billion under management, assets under management. Now the largest infrastructure fund in Latin America. And they invest in all of the core infrastructure assets. Energy, they're the number one power producer in Mexico after the Mexican government. They see Mexico and Saudi Arabia to have a lot of similar characteristics in terms of energy needs, infrastructure needs. As they look to deploy capital more internationally outside of Mexico and LATAM, Saudi Arabia in particular was a natural place for them to come. It's a growing economy. We're very impressed with the development of the non-oil revenue economy here, getting very close to 50% of the economy. And so with that, it's going to require a lot more infrastructure needs. And the plan is to bring outside foreign investment here to Saudi Arabia. So of course, we'll be looking to team up with some local investors, but really our objective is to bring money from Mexico, from other international markets where we're operating to Saudi Arabia to deploy here. We're looking right now at a $500 million US dollar fund. We feel like that's the right size to start a fund here. It obviously can grow, and a lot of cities, a lot of growing cities here in Saudi Arabia are going to need basic infrastructure, water, power, other types of infrastructure. So we feel like there's a good fit for a mid-market fund. There's not a lot of them here, so we feel like we have a first mover advantage. Mexico Infrastructure Partners has a lot of renewable power assets in Mexico. It's a asset class that they know very well. And so I think it'll be a key area for collaboration when we get the fund going. I think PIF is actually showing great leadership in helping to develop the national champion companies, also to develop this non-oil sector economy, which is really, I think everyone here in the country is very supportive of. But also it's getting the attention, I think, of international investors as well. There's a lot going on here, and so we just want to be part of, growing the economy here and participating in the opportunities here.